This is the certified pre-owned 2020 Ford F-150 Truck Super Crew Cab. The color is Agate Black. There's been one previous owner with no accidents and 16,889 miles are on it. Some features include power sliding rear window, and to help you feel safe and secure, it's equipped with an SOS post-crash alert system and tire pressure monitor system. Since it's a certified pre-owned vehicle, it comes with a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty and a 172-point inspection. From the inside of the certified pre-owned 2020 Ford F-150 Truck Super Crew Cab, the color is charcoal black. Some features include FordPass Connect 4G Wi-Fi, voice-activated navigation, heated and ventilated front seats, and heated second row seats. Please come on down to Malloy Ford here in Alexandria, Virginia, and make it Malloy. Thank you.